Hi there, thanks so much for watching my video. Today we're making Trung, which is a Vietnamese egg meatloaf. It is delicious to go with rice, one of my favorites. Let's get right to it. First, preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. No steamer needed and the result will be even better than steaming. Now we soak vermicelli noodles and wood ear mushroom in hot tap water. Oil and grease an 8x8 or similar size baking pan. Next, we dice a bunch of green onion and half a yellow onion. Transfer the onion to a large mixing bowl. Finally, mince 3 to 4 large cloves of garlic. It is time to chop the noodles and the mushroom once they are softened. Just try to shake off the water as much as you can. The drier, the better. For the noodles, just chop them roughly while we want to finely chop the mushroom. Transfer both to the mixing bowl. And that's it for all the chopping. Great job everyone! Add half of the diced green onion. Save the other half for making green onion oil for our rice later. Next, we simply add the rest of the ingredients, ground pork, eggs, and seasoning. Of course, we're not going to throw away the 3 yolks. They will be used later. For the ground pork, 20% to 30% fat is best for a more flavorful, juicier, and tender meatloaf. Make sure your hands really dig in there. Squeeze, separate the pork, and mix everything thoroughly together. Spread it out evenly. Now we bake it for just 30 minutes or until the pork is cooked, in which the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Just right before the meatloaf done with baking, we just beat the 3 egg yolks with the fork. If you wait until the buzzer goes up, that's totally fine too. We simply pour the egg yolk on top, spread it out evenly, pop it back in the oven for a couple minutes and it's done. So beautiful. Now we let it cool down for about 5 minutes. Then run a knife around to make sure nothing's sticking. Slide the meatloaf at angles to the size you like. Then we're gonna enjoy it with beautifully cooked white rice, some fresh tomatoes or other favorite vegetables. And of course, it's not complete without Vietnamese liquid gold dipping sauce as a dressing. And how to cook perfect white rice and making amazing dipping sauce? I have their instructions in separate videos. Be sure to check them out. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. More great recipe coming, so be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss anything. Have a great day, my friend. Bye bye.